Welcome back to the Strategic Focus. Today, we dive deep into India's massive defense pivot. From a staggering 3.25 lakh crore fighter jet deal to forming a brand new rocket force, the pace of modernization is hitting critical velocity. This isn't just spending, it's strategically securing our future against the two-front challenge. Let's get straight to the headlines shaping our nation's security. The strategic map is changing fundamentally. Confirmed by the Army Chief, India is now actively planning to raise a dedicated rocket missile force. This landmark organizational reform is aimed squarely at our primary adversaries, China and Pakistan. This means dedicated, long-range precision strike capabilities, ensuring swift and decisive deterrence across our borders. It is a necessary structural evolution for modern, integrated warfare. The Ministry of Defence is gearing up for perhaps the largest single procurement in IAF history, the estimated 3.25 lakh rupees crore deal for 114 new Rafale fighter jets. This decision will define our air dominance for decades. But the action doesn't stop there. The centre recently cleared a massive 79,000 crore rupees package focused heavily on indigenous platforms, including new missiles, radars, and critical loiter munitions. This twin strategy, top-tier foreign acquisition and robust Make in India support, is how we rearm to meet geopolitical challenges. Air defense remains paramount. Given the emerging threats of Chinese stealth fighters and hypersonic missiles, the IAF is now evaluating Russia's state-of-the-art S-500 system. This is a critical move to neutralize cutting-edge adversary capabilities. However, a major strategic concern has been raised by international experts regarding the operational resilience of our current Russian systems, including the frontline S-400s. We must ensure that our shield is absolutely impenetrable, reassessing readiness amidst global supply chain complexities. Turning to the seas, the Indian Navy is moving forward with plans for new amphibious aircraft. This acquisition is crucial for enhancing coastal surveillance, search and rescue operations, and most importantly, bolstering our defense capabilities around strategic island territories, especially the Andaman and Nicobar chain. In a region defined by maritime competition, projecting power and protecting our islands is non-negotiable. The Make in India push is delivering results. We are seeing record-level defense order pipelines, providing massive boosts to DPSUs like Bharat Dynamics and the entire domestic ecosystem. In the future of warfare, unmanned aerial systems, BALE and private sector giant Garuda Aerospace, backed by MS Dhoni, have signed and more. This partnership underscores the crucial shift, leveraging private innovation to strengthen our indigenous defense technology base, ensuring self-reliance in the critical UAS domain. What we've seen today is the rapid, calculated growth of a self-reliant India ready to secure its borders and project stability. Massive deals, strategic force restructuring, and a commitment to indigenous technology define this era. If you believe in a strong, secure India, hit that like button, share this video, and make sure you subscribe to Strategic Focus for continuous, in-depth analysis of India's defense posture. Jai Hind!